Hi, I'm Ian from Duma Shop. Today we're going to cut some pork chops. We got a whole boneless pork loin here. Main muscle ready to go. What you first do is you square the end off. Take a little piece. You're going to cut some butterflies. So when you cut butterfly chops, you cut about 90% of the way through, and then you finish it off at the bottom. Do that again. Slower mo. So you cut almost through, and then your second slice right through. That gives that beautiful butterfly chop. You can just start at one end, go right to the next end. Some beautiful butterfly chops there. Great on the grill, put a little bit of seasoning on them. It's perfect. Then with the balance of your pork loin, what we're going to do is we're going to tie a nice little pork loin roast. I'm going to cut her in half. Let's tie her up. There we go. Got her all tied up. What we're going to do, take the other end, square it off. Got a beautiful boneless pork loin roast ready to go.